Meaning of garage.
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 Garage. A garage is a building or shelter where vehicles, particularly cars, are stored or parked. It typically has a large door that provides access to the inside and can be manually or automatically operated. Garages can be attached to houses or separate structures and may have additional storage space or workshop areas. They are popular among homeowners for protecting their vehicles from harsh weather conditions and theft. In addition to providing storage space, garages also offer a convenient location for performing vehicle maintenance and repairs. Overall, garages serve as essential spaces for car owners to store and maintain their vehicles.